Dr. Goldsmith. One day there was a man named as Dr. named as Oliver Goldsmith, which write many delightful books which you will read when you are old. But he is also known as Dr. Goldsmith because he knows about physician. And then one day there was a very poor man who had who said his husband was sick and could not eat, and the doctor checked it, but he know that it was it was because he was only can because he had a disease that is so hard to be to be to be oh, to be declared out of his body. So he said, "Here is the box, which is very heavy. The directions are in this box too, and then but only open this when you're at house home." And then when the poor woman is at home, he found many pieces of still of money. So after that, he found the direction, and it says to go, and then it he noticed the and then the your directions to go to to go in need. And then after Olive Dr. Goldsmith already gave all the money that he had ready to give.